Era mo. Basta radyo, ipandera mo.
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Basta radyo, ipandera mo.
News FM Radyo Bandera, i-bandera mo basta radyo. Ang pinaka-respetado sa news and current affairs, this radio station, Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM, all over the Philippines. All right. Hey, welcome everybody. Good evening. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. It's Monday once again. Time for us to jam because this is Bandera Night Jams with yours truly. My name is DJ Tommy G. How you guys doing? Kamusta yung panimula ng bago na namang week, panibagong linggo, and panibagong buwan. Okay? So, Labor Day nung last Friday, we had a Labor Day celebration sa Subic Bay Freeport. Nagkaroon kami ng we conducted a job fair with the SBMA Labor Department, of course. I'm saying we because I'm part of the SBMA employee as well. And original volunteer among the very first ones to to guard the area, to safeguard the area until such time it became the SBMA. Argo pa yan, Autonomous Region of Greater Olongapo. Yan, okay? So, kudos to the volunteers, yung mga kasama nating nag-volunteer noon. Kung nasaan man kayo, kung naaabot man kayo nitong programa na to, hi sa inyong lahat. Sana makapag-reunion tayo, no? Yung mga original volunteers, yung mga unang-una talaga. Yeah, I know a lot of volunteers came along the way, pero yeah, we recognize their volunteerism as well. Kasama rin naman, syempre. Hindi ko naman sinasabing kami lang. Hindi, of course. Okay, so yeah, jam with me, join me. We will be having news and updates from in and around the city, the beautiful city of Olongapo. Okay, but as always, we start things up with today's holidays and observances. Mga kaganapan for May 4. Ang bilis, no? It's already the 5th month already, and then next month, it's the halfway month, the 6th month of 2026. Okay, pero before we begin with today's holidays and observances, let me present to you the monthly. Diba? At the start, yung unang edition lagi ng program natin for this segment, kapag unang edition niya for the new month, sinasama natin yung monthly. Ayan. Ang month of May is ALS Awareness. Ayan. If you guys still remember, nauso yun, yung ALS Awareness Month na yan. Yung, or kung tawagin ay Lou Gehrig disease. Pero ang talagang pinatutungkulan ng ALS is amyotrophic lateral sclerosis or the Lou Gehrig disease. Nauso pa nga yung yung binubuhusan ng malamig na yelo. Naliligo sa pagkalamig-lamig na timba na punong-puno ng water at yellow. Okay. It's also the American Cheese Month. Who loves cheese? Alam ko maraming may mahilig sa cheese eh. Yours truly included. I'm a big fan of cheese. And my son, pareho kami. We have a lot of common. We have a lot of things in common, I mean. Me and my son. That's why I'm so proud. I feel like success. Sumakses as Daddy-O. Adopt a Horse Day ang May. The Wetlands Month. What else? Asian American, Native Hawaiian, and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. AKA those who look brown. Okay, Asthma Awareness Month, Awareness of Medical Orphans Month, Better Hearing and Better Speech Month, Better Sleep Month. Ayan, dapat meron tayo lagi niyan. Better sleep lagi, no? Bladder Cancer Awareness Month, Borderline Personality Disorder Month. Nakatawang itakel to itong borderline personality disorder na to, no? Alam ko marami kayo. Yung iba sa mga kaibigan nyo, may ganyan. May borderline personality disorder. Brain Tumor Awareness Month. Building Safety Month. Celiac Awareness Month. Chip Your Pet Month. Clap for Health Month. Clean Air Month. Creative Beginnings Month. Cystic Fibrosis Month. Awareness Month, that is. Drum Month. The drum. Badum-ts. Yun. Drum month. Okay. I used to be a little drummer boy then when I was in elementary school. I'm part of the drum and lyre, no? And then I took it the extra step. I enrolled and learned drum lessons. Para yung drum na talaga. Okay? And what else? Family Reunion Month, Family Wellness Month, Food Allergy Action Month, Freedom Shrine Month, Gardening for Wildlife Month. Ang dami, no? For the month of May. Birthday month ko yan. Kaya, iba talaga ang mga May, you know? Sikat pag mga May, you know? Yeah. Tsaka mga pogit magaganda. What else? Gifts from the Garden Month, Global Civility Month. Dami. Employees Health and Fitness Month. Youth Traffic Safety Month. Fetch Food Drive for Homeless Animals. Oh, that's something that's, yeah, I know a lot of you will be into. Okay. Heal the Children Month, Healthy Vision Month, Homeschooling Awareness Month, International Victorious Woman Month, Jewish American Heritage Month. Dami. Oh, tapusin. Ang dami. Grabe. But, yeah. Okay. Tennis Month. Oh, yan. Yung mga mahilig sa tennis. Ano pa? Personal History Month. Your personal history. Yan. Pediatric Feeding Disorder Awareness Month. Ultraviolet Awareness Month. Oh, masama rin yung sobra tayo sa na-absorb na ultraviolet ultraviolet rays from the sun, ha? Ultraviolet is maganda naman. May magandang uses pa ngayon ultraviolet, pero wag lang sobra-sobra na pumapasok sa skin mo, sa katawan mo, no? Young Achievers of Tomorrow Month. Ang month of May. Ayan. Kaya ang gagaling ng mga pinanganak sa month of May. Ang daming UC, ang daming going on. So, no? Things that are great. All right, so there you have it. Just some of the few holidays and observances. Hindi pala few. Ano pa lang yun? Yung monthly observance pa lang yun. Ito naman for May 4, 2026. Okay. Star Wars Day, International Observance ng Star Wars Day. So all of you big fan ng Star Wars, it's your International Day. Okay. Meron akong kakilala, big fan ng Star Wars Day. Sa sobrang big fan niya ng Star Wars Day, naging kamukha niya si Jabba the Hutt. Kilala niyo si Jabba the Hutt? Oo, kamukhang kamukha eh, walang pinagkaiba eh. Same character, matakaw. Lahat, give me that. That's mine. Give me that. That's mine. Ganun na ugali. So, Jabba the Hutt, it's your Star Wars Day. I'm a big fan of Star Wars too. Pero buti na lang, hindi ko naging kamukha si Jabba the Hutt. International Firefighters Day, ang May 4. Okay, mga firefighters, mga bayani natin yan. Diba? Whenever something or a house or a building is on fire, we run away, we run outside, we go outside. But the firefighters, they go in to fight the fire. Ganun yun eh, no? Kaya saludo, no? Today is also International Greenery Day and Coal Miners Day in India. In India, huh? Not here. Okay, and the United Nations has declared May 4 of every year to be Anti-Bullying Day ng United Nations. Yan. Annual event against bullying. And this is the day we wear pink shirts din daw, sabi. Dapat kanina ko pa nabasa to, no? Gabi na eh. I should have worn pink. Yeah, to help promote Anti-Bullying Day. In schools, this is very important, no? Yung mga bata. Sadly, di ba kung nakikita nyo sa balita, ang dami na eh, no? Ang dami naging biktima lately, ang dami uli naging biktima ng bullying. May mga gumagawa ng bullying. May mga nabibiktima. Ano na, DepEd, nagkukulang ba? Nagkukulang ba sa paalala? I think so, yes. From time to time, dapat binabanggit pa rin lagi ng teacher. Kids, do not bully anybody, ha? Eh, may mga gumagawa eh, di ba? My son became a victim of it 3 times. Yung simpleng act ng na na kukunin yung mga gamit mo, huwag kang papalag. Pag pumalag ka, susumbong kita kay teacher. Siyempre, matatakot yung bullying yun eh. No? Baka sabihin nyo, para yun lang, simple. Okay, bullying pa rin yun. No? Okay? So, teachers ha, kailangan DepEd. Oo. Nagkukulang po tayo sa reminder. Totoo lang. Sa totoo lang. Promise. Kita naman eh. Kitang-kita. Nagkukulang talaga. No? So, DepEd po ha. Pakipukpok ng konti. Pakikalabit naman. Kahit mano ba namang araw-araw bago mag-uwian man lang, do not forget, do not bully anybody ha. Pag may nang bully, isumbong kay teacher. Yung mga ganong reminder man lang, it will go a long, long way. For sure, mapipigilan yan. Walang mambubuli ha. Mag-remind ka lang araw-araw. No? Malaking bagay yan, okay? And also, what else? The other holidays and observances for, ang layo ko na. May 2026. Okay, May 4, ayan. The Great Lakes Awareness Day, Intergalactic Star Wars Day, as I mentioned kanina, Star Wars Month. So, May 4 pa pala, yung Intergalactic Star Wars Day. Kasi yung sinasabi doon, May the Force be with you eh. Pero ito dahil May 4, May the 4th be with you. Di ba? Jabba the Hutt. Alam mo yun, Jabba the Hutt? Si Jabba the Hutt. Respect for Chickens Day. Ang May 4. Because chickens are decent people. Melanoma Day, Monday. Every first Monday of the month of May. Business Brokers Appreciation Day. National Day of Reason. Self-Employed Day. Mga self-employed, big hug. Weather Observers Day. Araw naman nila. Carney! Pumunta kayo sa Kamias. Ang barong, may biyak sa likod. World Give Day. Okay, give. Give. Give me this, give me that. Parang si Jabba the Hutt lang yun. Give me this, give me that. That's mine. Hindi ko i-remit yan. That's mine. Okay. And now, for the people celebrating their birthdays today, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Famous people celebrating their birthdays today, May 4. This is being brought to you by Angel's Pizza, Olongapo. Free pizza. Yes, you heard it right. With your APC card, second box is free. Basta may APC card ka, pangalawang box free na, no? Okay? Basta may may APC card ka. I mean, that's what I'm trying to say. Kung wala ka pang APC card, go to Angel's Pizza, Olongapo, number 395 Rizal Avenue West, Tapinac, Olongapo City. For increased call or text them up 0927-117-9020. Yan, okay? And it's the home of the original creamy spinach dip. So the buy one, take one pizza, ongoing pa rin. As long as you have the APC card. Kung wala pang APC card, kuha na. Punta na sa Angel's Pizza, Olongapo. They're open from Monday to Sunday, 8 a.m. till 12 midnight. And here are the famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Okay, happy birthday to Mr. Ryan Cayabyab, Filipino musician, very iconic. Talagang parang siguro national artist na to. Yun ang pupuntahan nito, no? Malamang. May 4, 1954. Also born May 4, 1990 is Andrea Torres. And si Mr. Ray Valera, Filipino singer-songwriter. Naku, napakadaming iconic songs na Kung tayo'y magkakalayo. Malaya ka nang kumupit dyan. Aking nadarama. Binubulsa mo na ang lahat-lahat. Wala nang rimit-rimit. Sa iyo na lahat napunta. Ray Valera. May 4, 1954. Joy Spring was also born May 4, 1993. Si Joy Spring is an actress, model, TV personality. Yeah, okay. And moving on. Also, happy birthday to the following. Mick Mars of the band Motley Crue. Si Mick Mars. Ayan. You guys familiar with Motley Crue? Ayan. He turned 75 today. And another member of a great band, Green Day's Mike Dirnt. He is the bass guitarist for Green Day. Alam niyo kamukha nito si ano eh. Pag yung buhok ni alisin mo yung buhok niya, ilagay mo yung buhok ni Vladimir Putin. Kamukhang kamukha, para silang kambal. Promise, tingnan nyo. Titingnan nyo yung mukha niya. Yung mukha lang ha, alisin nyo yung sa taas. Ano. Parang kapatid ni Vladimir Putin eh. Next up we have happy birthday also to Lance Bass of the boy band NSYNC. It's gonna, tama-tama no? It's gonna be May. All that I do. Yun na, nag-May na nga, pang-apat na nga eh ngayon. It's gonna be May. Pero hindi siya yun, si Justin Timberlake yun. Alam niyo bang ano yun, yung kinanta yun, sinabi ng writer yun eh. Huwag mo raw sabihin na basta it's gonna be me lang. Parang nararamdaman ng writer na pagka ginawa nilang ganun. Ang galing ano, may mga magagaling na songwriter na ganyan eh. Yung songwriter na gumawa ng song na yon, It's Gonna Be Me, Swedish composer siya. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan eh. Sabi niya, sinabihan niya si Justin Timberlake, do not say it's gonna be me. You go like, it's gonna be me. Parang aartehan mo ng konti. 'Di ba? Nauso, 'di ba? Up to now. Oh, 'di ba? Up to now ginagamit pag last day na ng April, 'di ba? Tuwing April 30. Kabi-kabila yung nakita nyo? Naalala nyo nung April 30? Naglabasan yung mga video, mga memes. It's gonna be May. Also, happy birthday to country singer Randy Travis. He turns 67 today. Tsaka si Lance Bass nga of NSYNC. He turns 47. Also, Will Arnett. Naalala nyo ba yung bida dun sa sa Conjuring series of movies? Di ba? Si Will Arnett turns 56 today. Ayun, si Will Arnett yung doon. Yung bida doon, no? Yung mag-asawa sila na psychic na tumutulong. Katakot yung Conjuring series of movies na yun, no? No? Conjuring. Alam niyo part 2 na kagad yun, yung Conjuring? Ang part 1, Kung Before. Part 2, Conjuring. Part 3, Kung After. Kung Before, Kung During, Kung After. Yeah, si Will Arnett. Okay. Yeah. Also, happy birthday to, sino pa ba? Who else do we gotta greet? Audrey Hepburn. Movie actress from the golden age of cinema. And she turns, she passed away in 1993 already. Matagal na no? Because she was born 1929, si Audrey Hepburn. One of the prettiest faces of Hollywood. Among them. And one of the Jackson 5 members, Jackie Jackson. Siyempre, kapatid ni paring Michael, no? He turned 75 today. And kung birthday ni, sino yun? Ni Jackie Jackson, he turned 75. Turning 96 naman today is their mother. Si Ate Catherine. Catherine Jackson, the mother of Michael and Janet Jackson, who was the matriarch of the entire Jackson musical family. There you go. All right, that's about it. Today's famous people celebrating the birthdays today. All of you May 4 birthday celebrants, you're sharing your birthdays with them, so happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, so it's birthday. It's the birthday of Meg Mars. He's one of the members of Motley Crue. Pati na rin si Mr. Dirnt of Green Day. So here's their songs back to back. Motley Crue, Green Day, Motley Crue with Without You here on Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM Olongapo. You're with DJ Tommy J. Bandera Night Jams.